In this video, beginners to learn coding, we are going to understand the concept of algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart to write the code in any language. This is a lesson 1. What is algorithm? How we convert that to a pseudocode, and then pseudocode is going to convert it to a flowchart. Means algorithm is a flow of plain common English words. मतलब इसमें हम simple common words को use करते हैं English के to write the algorithm. No need of programming. Second thing, pseudocode, structured representation of algo, जो हमारे algo से ही निकल के आ रहे हैं. Then these pseudocodes have been changed to flowchart, that is a graphical representation of algo. हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, graphical representation करेंगे, एक diagrams बनाएंगे जो हमें बताएगा कि code कैसे चल रहा है. And all these three things are going to use to make a code for a programming, any programming language. हम कोई भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में वर्क करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू दीज फ्लो चार्ट्स एंड सूडो कोड एंड एल्गोरिथम. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू एवरीथिंग दैट हाउ यू विल राइट डाउन द program using these algorithms and flowcharts. If we go through the flowchart, there are some symbols, common symbols. I am talking about the common symbols only. First is start and stop. Every flowchart starts from start and ends at stop. Second, this is accept, read, input, display, print. This box is used for input and for display. Then there is a processing box for calculation, updations, initializations. You're going to use this rectangular box. Then there is a decision box. This is used for conditions. In the next topics, I'm going to show you that what are those conditions are that we're going to use in the programming language. हम programming language में बहुत सारी conditions का use करते हैं. If conditions उन्हें कहते हैं उसी को. So this is the diamond shape and these are the flow lines. These are called flow lines. ये हमें क्या बताता है? It shows the what is the work of the flow line. हमारा data कहाँ को जा रहा है according to the condition. That is the work of these flow lines in flowchart. Now we're going to write a simple question of accept the name and display it. Logical question. I'm not writing the any code. I'm just going through for algorithm, then I convert to a pseudocode and then convert to a flowchart. In the next video, I'm going to show you that how we convert that to a language in Python, C++, C, any language. We're going to have many language codes. मैं उसमें सब मैं दिखाऊंगा how to write these, how to convert these algorithms, pseudo and flowchart to a programming language. If we go through the algorithm, so what are the steps? Start and stop. And what are the lines? These are the two lines. Accept name of a person, display name of a person. This is a simple common words I use for this algorithm. You know that simple words we have to use. Then what we have to do? We need to convert these sentence to a pseudocode. Again, I'm going to write the start and stop. This is the structure. Accept name, display name. This is a pseudocode converting algorithm. Now we convert this pseudo to flowchart. Again, start and stop is going to be there. This is accept the name. The box for input is going to be this one. Accept name, and same next one, display name. So if you have seen, these are the flow lines. It's going downwards. So what are the method that is we are using? What is this? This is called sequential flow. Everything is going on in sequence. कोई चीज़ रुक नहीं रही है. Every statement is being executing one by one from top to bottom. This is a sequential flow. Flow of control, the part of the flow of control. आगे चल के आएगा इसमें, तब तुम्हें समझ में आएगा कि इसमें कैसे वर्क करते हैं. फ्लो ऑफ कंट्रोल क्या चीज़ होती है उसमें. सीक्वेंशनल, व्हाट इज़ द वर्क ऑफ द सीक्वेंशनल इज. सो दिस इज अ बेसिक logic of using algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart.